We're gonna take a look at these whips real quick. But let me get my stats and figures correct.
Exotically mentioning Ferrari, pushed to biohazardous extremes, 500G pandemics, a mark in history. Who would ever think? Real motivation, peace, $50. Exotically mentioning Ferrari, pushed to biohazardous extremes, 500G pandemics, a mark in history. Who would ever think? Real motivation, peace, $50.
Okay, so we're looking at the blue 488 Pista, and just opening up the door, man, I have a totally different feeling when opening up this door, like a feeling of luxury and what a Ferrari should be, when opening up this particular interior in this door as compared to the silver one. So I can already tell you off the bat, for me personally, if I had to pick one of these to own, it would be this one, just based off of the interior. Now, as far as the exterior is concerned, we'll look a little bit closer at the interior, but what I like and don't like. So if this was mine,
rage on that beat, going crazy.
Huracan Arch Street Dimensions, pushed by motivation. Also sponsored by me, an affiliate of Lamb